test it out.
Why you bringing it back? It's still my turn.
You look at it one time, bro.
Works in semi.
It don't work.
Try it, super safe.
You're not gonna put the shot in.
That's empty.
Let's see. Stopped. Shot 3 of them. Put 5 in there. There's a case in there.
We can go rent the AK. Oh, shit. Trying to rent the AK.
Yeah, rest of
No, it fed a bullet.
Let's just think like shit.
It's a live round. Good thing it stopped, so I got a dead trigger. So, gotta figure that out. But it runs in semi though, so we'll see.